It's just ramp. Ever that butterfly land, you never, your bike steps on it.
Yeah?
I don't really like this track.
Soft sand. Not fun to pedal through.
You need to walk it. I love a lizard and a frog and a snake and a crocodile.
Didn't they like crocodiles?
Where's that little cute lizard? Hey, Tony, that water's a place.
Police?
Yeah.
Why? Because someone needs saving.
And maybe someone lost someone's mom.
Let's see where this goes.
Or somebody lost his mom.
Yeah, that's possible too.
Oh, that butterfly scared me.
Can you clap your hands together?
I couldn't. Because we're going bike riding. Look how far up we are.
Yeah, we're pretty far up, huh?
Don't go too fast. This feels too hard for me, right there.
Yeah, this one's a little bit tricky.
Yeah, this one's
This part right here is not too bad.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
This is what's known as single track.
Yeah, this is called a single track. This is tricky too.
Yep.
It's actually called a single track too, but it's actually tricky. The single track is tricky, right?
Yeah, single track's pretty tricky.
We're going down a little bit. Ah.
Watch out for the butterflies.
Yeah, butterflies. Butterflies will never touch me.
Never, ever, ever.
Never, ever, ever. I don't really like this trail.
You really like it?
I like it, but I don't like the races. Oh, now look, I see that little white thing.
That's called a golf course.
Yeah, I know it's called a golf course.
Ugh. What are you breathing hard for?
Because I lose my balance, because I lose my breathing.
Ugh.
Lose my breath. I run out of breath.
Whew. Dad's out of breath.
Me too.
All right, a big climb. Here we go. If I wasn't out of breath enough. Ugh. Ugh. Whew.
Dad, do you need water?
I might need some water.
Okay, then stop. Let's do that cool-looking jump.
We'll do it on the way back.
Why?
We're going uphill. We don't do jumps on the uphill.
Oh, why?
That's not as fun.
Oh, I know. This is gonna be better for me.
We ended up on a golf course.
This is called a golf course?
Yeah,
Oh,
this is not where we're supposed to be.
we need to be on a trail. Guess we went on the wrong way.
I guess we did. No.
Oh,
We went into the bushes.
we went into the bushes.
Let's do this little bitty jump.
No.
Here we go. Hold on tight. Whoa!
Whoa, that was kind of cool.
Kind of fun, right?
Yeah, that was fun.
And then you can come over here.
No, I don't want to do this. Oh, that's fun.
They're doing this backwards.
Yeah. Let's get some big. Watch out for this big hill.
Woo.
I go a little slow.
Let's see what this is.
Oh, no!
Buddy, I'm not going to go over that with you on the bike, okay?
Yeah, that was hard.
We'll go down the side right here.
Go.
Ready?
That was better. We're going super fast now. That was fun.
Oh, man. Out of breath, my boy.
Let's just get some water today. It's hot out here.
Plus a very soft sand,
That's
which is really hard to paddle through.
No, it is. Look.
I mean, I'm doing it, but it's hard. But there's a big hill right here. Hang up a
No,
little bit.
don't.
Whoa!
I don't need it.
Whoa!
Whoa. I don't need it.
sand is so soft. I think the other one's actually better. Wow. But I have to be careful with.
I saw you, Dad.
You got it?
I got it.
Ugh. Here we go, Tal. Ready? Point it up.
I saw you, Dad.
Biting this sand big time. Whew. All right, here we go.
Those things, last time it played dust, and then I fell over.
Yeah.
And then you're flooding done.
Yep. Look how fast we're going.
We're going pretty fast.
Whoa.
Oh, my bike just tanked all the jumps.
Can't see it on camera, but I am swishing this back tire like crazy trying to stay centered. Here we go. He said center. Which one do you think is center? This one right here?
Yeah.
This looks like center to me.
Don't go on those rocks, right, Dad?
Yeah, right. Oh, this is where we came up. This is kind of good. It's really steep though, huh?
Yeah, no.
All right. Look at this cool berm down here. A berm is what helps you make turns really fast. You lean up against it,
Yeah.
you whip it around. Is that kind of cool?
This is not the center.
Oh, this is center.
Oh.
Here's another berm. Ready? How cool is that?
Oh, that was going too fast.
Ooh.
It didn't get on mine.
Here we go. Down this big hill.
We're going fast, right?
Yeah.
Don't do the jump.
I'm not gonna do the jump, buddy.
No, don't.
Ready? Boop. That's
Whoa.
it.